Hi there, Rob Green here, FSW UK. Welcome to the studio. You join me as I'm going to do a little unboxing, or a quick unboxing of the Supco Magnetic Umbrella, which we sell by the hundreds, okay? Now, let's have a little look at the box itself. So, this is how it comes. Here's the brolly itself. Fighting my way out of it. Slightly different to a normal umbrella because obviously it's got this specific attachment on the bottom. It's got this little umbrella cover on the top, Velcro, and top and bottom. Let's have a look here. Then if we press the button, oh, there she goes there. Okay, so quite a big size brolly. Get that in the video. Okay, and it's got the little vents in the top, and I can show you this here, where it effectively actually breathes if the wind catches it, okay? Now, let's click that back down into place. So that's the brolly itself, and you can buy these separately because if you get them in high winds, they can actually split apart and blow away if you're not careful. There is a lanyard in the kit, and I'll show you what that's for now. So you can, this comes in the kit. It obviously comes with a magnetic base and the lanyard. So that's the magnetic base, which I'll show you now, and then you've obviously got the lanyard as well for holding it down into place, okay? So you can buy a spare umbrellas, but in the box with it you get the heavy-duty magnetic base. So as you can see, there's a huge round magnet on the bottom of it, okay? And then in this little box we should find, yeah, so we've got the lanyard, which is to hold it down, and I think what you're meant to do with this is to drop it over there, okay? What is this for? What does this say? Thread locking compound. There we go. So obviously you've got the threads in there, and then back this off. This one comes off. So how have they done this on here? So they've got that piece at the top. So this obviously goes in. This tightens down. There we go. Oops, center that onto the flat. Tighten that up. Not quite sure what that little knob is for. And then obviously you've got this, and this must adjust. Yeah. So this handle here adjust the crank and the position or the angle of the actual brolly itself. Okay, so let's put that central, lock that back in, undo this pin here. Hang on, yeah, let's get this right in the camera for you. And then that backs off, so that obviously allows us to put the brolly into there and tighten this up, and then there we go. And let's have a go, see what she looks like here. Oh. So there we are. Can't quite fit this in the video, but you get the idea. Now, as you can see, I'm 6 foot tall and it's tight to my head. I have a bit of space, but you can buy an optional extra extender. So let's pull the brolly down. And let's have a look at the extender here. Okay, so again, we've got a similar setup. So we're going to back that off there, this locking nut. Take the brolly out of here, and I assume we just do that, lock that in on the flat. Yeah, that's what it looks like on the picture. The brolly goes in here now, tighten that up. Let's have another go here. There we go. So I've got much more room. So the beauty of these things is that it's not only for the wet weather. Come the summer now and it's baking hot and you're stuck out there changing compressors or whatever out in the direct sunlight, it's an ideal shade as well. So yeah, such a simple product, obviously designed by a HVAC engineer in America, and then Supco bring it to market under the Tradefox brand. And we've seen a few good products in the range over the last couple of years from it. So yeah, quite a strong magnet. But like I said, the lanyard is on you for you to hook this somewhere particularly in high winds. Well, you know, you're going to struggle in high winds, but even the slightest of breeze with a brolly will want to take it away from you. So just remember to strap the lanyard in. You might have to adapt another strap to it, but that's what the lanyard is there for. Yeah, hugely popular product with us. So that was it. Quick overview of the magnetic umbrella from FSW. It's on our website and plenty in stock. Thanks for watching. I'll see you all again soon. Goodbye for now.